Surya Namaskar or Sun Salutation is a sequence of 12 powerful yoga poses. These alternating backward and forward bending postures flex and stretch the whole body and improves all over health, strengthen body and relax the mind. Surya Namaskar is done early morning on an empty stomach. You might find several versions on how to practice Surya Namaskar. However, it is better to stick to one particular version and practice it regularly for best results. The basic breathing principle is to inhale during upward and backward bending postures and exhale during forward bending postures. Practice 3 to 9 rounds of Surya Namaskar daily for maximum benefit. When the same movements are done in quickly, the gain is more physical. And when they are done slowly, with full breath awareness, the gain is more mental and spiritual. Now stand erect with your feet close together and balance your body weight equally on both the feet. As breath in, lift both arms up from the sides and perform prayer pose, the Pranam Asana. By joining palms together in front of your chest and breath out. Breath in, lift the arms up and then arch your back as possible as and comfortable. Feel the healthy stretch in your whole body in Hasta Uttanasana. Breath out and bend forward to perform Padhastasana by touching the ground while keep knees straight and possible as you can. Breathe in and extend your right leg back until it as straight as possible and you are balanced on your toes and hands. Bend back, open up your chest, and this is Asva Sanchalana Asana, the equestrian posture. Now inhale, take the leg back and bring the whole body in a straight line. This is Danda Asana. Breath out and perform Ashtanga Asana. Your 8 body parts should be touched to the ground. Your toes, knees, hands, chest, chin touch to the ground while the buttocks are kept up. Breath in and come into the Bhujanga Asana, the Cobra pose. Feel a healthy stretch in your back and neck. Ensure you are stretching just as much as you can and not forcing your body. Breath out, lift the hips and the tailbone up to bring the body into an inverted V pose and perform Adho Mukha Swana Asana. Inhale and perform Asva Sanchalana Asana as we did before. But this time, change the leg. Exhale and bring your leg forward to come into the Padhastasana. Now breathe in and bend backward to perform Hasta Uttanasana. Come back to standing while bringing your hand back to the prayer pose and breath out.